Today's featured pickup truck of the day is a 1969 Chevrolet C10 step-side pickup with a custom paint job, brand new high-output 454 GM crate performance motor with 438 horsepower and 500 pounds of torque, less than 100 miles on the motor. Then it has a turbo 400 transmission, a 12-bolt posi rear end, new custom interior, new tack dash, later model tilt steering column, new rally wheels, new Cooper Cobra tires, rubber bed mat, bed cover, hidden receiver hitch, and original black California plate truck. And this one sold at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California for $27,000. And that was back in February of 2021. And I just found the footage and figured I'd put it on here. I'm sure somebody would be interested in seeing it. But I thought it was a pretty good deal. He got quite a bit of truck for the money, and it was pretty much ready to go. But that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1969 Chevy C10 step-side pickup truck that was restored with a brand new GM Performance 454 engine with 438 horsepower, 500 foot-pounds of torque, a turbo 400 transmission, 12-bolt posi rear end, new custom interior, new tack dash, later model tilt steering column, new rally wheels, new Cooper Cobra tires, rubber bed mat, bed cover, hidden receiver hitch, original California black plate truck that sold for $27,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.